What's up, LNT fam? Welcome back to another video rebuilding 2017 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. We got this car from Copart with the left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Us picking up the car and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 3, we're gonna start putting the car back together. Everything is painted and ready to go. We also got the rims back. We had to send them out to get reconditioned and different color as well, so you guys get to see everything. So in this video, pretty much we're gonna put the car back together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Now for the stock, and let's get to work. Just removed the 4 rims. We're gonna send them out to get powder coated glass black to match the moldings, and we're doing something, little customization to the car. And another thing, a lot of cars don't have spare tires, so we got a solution. See, I removed all 4 tires, but we've been using a Gagne wheel as a spare tire, and they work the best. They fit any make or model. You can't really drive on them, just they're perfect to move the car around the shop and stuff like that, because this one, look, this one came with a spare tire and we used the Gagne wheel. So best stuff ever. Usually don't do any advertising on my channel, but if I truly believe in the product, I will, and this is one of the products we've been using for months now, and they work amazing. Ferrari, Lamborghini, Toyota, Honda, any car, they'll fit. So I'll put a link in description with my promo code so you guys could get a little discount, and go check them out on their website, www.gagnewheel.com. So yeah, and let me show you what else we're doing to the car. The molding's already glass black. We're gonna paint the mirrors glass black. We're doing the wheels glass black, and then the moldings and rear bumper we're gonna paint body color so it looks nice. Because right now it's like this package doesn't really look too good, but yeah, something like this. They should come grab the wheels, and we should get them back in like a week or so. So that's the little progress we got with the Porsche. Next, I'm gonna remove the rear bumper so I could remove the lower valance, and so we could start prepping and primering and painting. So let's go. Got a little damage in the door, and my guy is here. He's gonna do PDR, and we're done with this door, but let me show you what's going on with it. Yeah, a little damage, but it didn't go through the paint, so we're gonna use the PDR guy, and he's gonna pop this one out. Then I got 2 more things right here. So yeah, something like this. Let's go.
parts are sealed and prepped and ready to shoot. So I have my base coat mixed up. We're gonna put 2 coats of base coat and then 2 coats of clear, and they'll be ready.
All the Porsche pieces got painted. Man, it's a lot of pieces, so we could start putting the car back together. Let's check it out. So yeah, we got the front lower of the bumper. That's the rear bumper, spoiler, and then the door moldings, and then the wheel flares as well. So yeah. So we could start putting the car back together. We'll start with the back end and work our way to the front. The fun begin, how they say. Let's go. Put the rear bumper together, man, it looks a lot better with the painted lower section of the bumper. So we could start installing it back on the car. Back end together, and wow, it looks so good with the painted lower section of the bumper. So we're done with the back end. Next we're gonna jump on the side. We're gonna replace the wheels in the back and start installing the fender flares and working our way to the front. We gotta put those side flares, new rims and tires. Not new rims, but reconditioned, and they're black, and we got brand new Michelin tires as well. So we'll install those puppies right now. And same with this side, so let's go. I just installed the wheels and we got ourselves a little problem, little situation. Let me show you what's going on. The wheels are installed and we had some suspension damage, as you guys remember. And if you look on this side right here, I could only put 3 fingers. Then if we go check the other side, I could put 4 fingers, and this side was never in a collision, so obviously something wrong with the suspension. So luckily I already got a new control arm, so I'm gonna replace this right now, and hopefully that's it. So pretty much we replaced the shock, the tie rod, and for the final control arm, main one, and hopefully that will solve our little situation and we could do alignment. Well, that's it. So let's replace that real quick and we'll go from there. Just replace the control arm, so we're done with suspension. I hope we won't note that we do alignment. Let's pull the car out and see how the car drives. Let's see how this bad boy drives. We'll go for a little test drive around the shop. So far so good. I didn't drive too far. We're gonna wait till we do the alignment before we start driving. So for now, we'll end the video here. Next video we'll do the alignment and pretty much put the car back together. I wanted to do that in this video, but we're still missing a center grill for the bumper. Should be coming in sometimes this week, later this week. So yeah, for now we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 4. In part 4 we'll do the alignment, we'll put the car back together, we'll do complete wash and detail, and the car is ready for delivery. So for now, what do you guys say? Let's go inside and find out who's the lucky winner for the Jeep emblem. What do you guys say? Let's go, let's do it. And the moment we've all been waiting for, to find out who's the lucky winner for the Jeep Tri-Hog emblem. So let's jump in and find out who's the lucky winner. And once again, we'll be using comment picker to find out who's the lucky winner. Let's copy paste, bam, boom, search, and let's see how many comments we got. We got 241 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is James. Congratulations, my friend, you're the lucky winner. See guys how simple and easy that was? Hashtag Jeep, and you're the lucky winner. James, please send me an email with your info and I'll mail out your emblem as soon as possible. And guess what? We're doing another giveaway, LNCI t-shirt. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and don't forget to like this video. And that's it. Simple and easy to enter the giveaway. Good luck to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys once again. We'll end the video here. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 4. До свидания!